We all want to become successful in our career. Most students want to be successful when they graduate. Do you have a plan for how you want to be successful? Do you know how to reach your goals? What skills do you need to develop? Should you just turn the screws until the wheels come off? But seriously, some people want to be successful from day one. Others may be waiting a little while longer. No matter when you start, you need to have a plan for achieving your goal. How can you create a plan that works? If you are a student who wants to be successful in school, in your career, or in life, you have to acquire and master a set of skills that life demands from you. In today's video, we will talk about the 10 most important skills students must acquire to be successful in the 21st century. These are the skills that you don't want to be without. We have a world of information at our fingertips, and we can find all kinds of answers to all kinds of questions. But if we don't have the right set of skills, then that world of information will just be a distraction, and we won't be able to do anything with it. It's one thing to have the knowledge, it's another thing to use it. So, without talking more, let's dig in. Number 1, communication skills. Communication skills is important to your life as a student because it will help you succeed in school. It's essential for you to be a good communicator so you can get good grades and learn how to write properly and be effective at your studies. Having good communication skill, you will also have more chances of meeting new people. It's essential for you to be open and friendly because when you are comfortable with people, they will be comfortable around you and you will find it easier to make friends. Communication skills also helps you to learn how to deal with different situations. It also teaches you how to effectively handle yourself and communicate with others, even when they are angry or upset with you. Number 2, adaptive thinking. Adaptive thinking is important because it will help you make decisions and change direction when necessary. Adaptive thinking also helps you to recognize how your environment affects you emotionally, physically, and mentally. Number 3, personal management. Personal management is important because without it, you are unable to meet deadlines. Without personal management, you would never be able to accomplish your assignments, complete homework, and make good grades. Personal management skills are necessary to ensure that you get into a good college and graduate school and you have good job skills when you graduate. Number 4, technology skills. Technology skills make school easier for you. With the rise in technology, you are required to learn more about it and be comfortable using it. You need to be able to manipulate the devices as well as use them. Having basic computer skills is beneficial for you in school. A lot of schools now require students to have basic skills in using computers and other technological tools. This allows you to do the work they need to do without getting help from adults. You will be able to take your work home with them and do it on your own. Technology skills also help you stay organized and keep your schedules and assignments on track. Number 5, creativity and innovation. Creativity and innovation are important for you as a student because it helps you develop your mind and learn new skills. If you learn these skills and are exposed to them on a regular basis, you will more likely to perform well in the future. Number 6, empathy and perspective. Empathy and perspective are important for you because they help you develop your understanding of others. When you have empathy and perspective, you are better able to understand how someone else might feel in a situation. You also understand that other people may not think like you and that your ideas may not be valid. You need to develop perspective because you must understand how to make your own decisions based on facts instead of making decisions based on your feelings. Finally, by having empathy and perspective, you can make better decisions. Number 7, soft skills. Soft skills are important because they will help you better communicate with other people and overcome challenges in life. When you are soft skills impaired, you are more likely to make bad decisions that will prevent you from achieving your goals. If you have a hard time getting along with others, then you won't be able to have healthy relationships with them. And it will ultimately be reflected on your ability to succeed and make positive progress in life. It is important to learn and practice soft skills because they will help you grow and develop better as a person. Number 8, inquiry skills. Inquiry skills is important because you will be able to learn how to become more independent and critical thinkers in your life. This skill helps you to grow and learn throughout your life. You will be able to learn how to find solutions to problems you are faced with rather than just giving up or blaming others. Inquiry skills will help you become more effective and efficient at work. Number 9. Problem-solving skills. Problem-solving skills are important to you as a student because they help you learn how to deal with everyday situations in which there is no right or wrong answer. By problem-solving, you become more independent and better able to work with others. Problem-solving also helps you to think critically and logically, two qualities needed in all aspects of life, whether academic or personal. Number 10. Collaboration skills. In today's world, collaboration skills will help you find success and help you get ahead. Collaboration skills is important because it allows students to work together to accomplish something larger than one person can alone. Working together means working for the team, and having the ability to work together to succeed means being able to work alongside others. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy learning!